Well, if you suffer from joint or muscle pain, allergies, or if you're having a tough time losing weight, you might want to check out a procedure that's called cold laser therapy.
It's gaining popularity, too. See how it works, and it helps you in Linda White's Fact Finder report.
We just paint the area with the laser beam.
Cold lasers come in different sizes, different powers.
This is a class 4 laser.
And the irony in its name, it's far from cold.
If I kept it there for a prolonged period of time, I would burn you.
Here at Champion Sports Medicine on St. Vincent's campus, cold laser therapy is used in rehab.
Lots of pain.
1 to 10, what was your pain level?
10.
Bernice Ashford is rehabbing her ankle, fused last August. After adding the cold laser to her therapy, she said her pain has gotten better.
When I first had the laser, and I had to go back and have x-rays when I see my doctor, and he could see it on the film, that you could see the healing in the tissue part of it.
Fact, cold laser therapy is described as low intensity or low levels of laser light. While lasers used in surgery are around 300 watts in power, low intensity lasers hover in the 5 to 500 milliwatts, much less. Lenny McCrena is a physical therapist at Champion Sports Medicine.
So this, I found, has sped up wound healing. And also help with pain and that inflammation and the swelling that goes along with that. So we've had a lot of positive results by using this.
For the last 10 years or so, cold laser therapy has been used here in the U.S. in conjunction with your typical physical therapy in order to reduce pain and heal wounds. Cold lasers are branching out into other areas, including being used to end allergies to dust, pet dander, pollen, and more.
And what it does is it sets up your body's ability to handle whatever it was that you had a sensitivity to.
Dr. Sobchak's patients are swearing by it.
I really like the approach that doesn't invade the body, that gives you an alternative to taking pills and shots.
So how do you feel?
And you'll also find cold lasers being used for cosmetic purposes as an alternative to plastic surgery.
Turn you over and do 20 minutes on the back.
Last September, Dana Walker turned to a Zia Medical Spa and its Zerona laser to lose inches off her frame.
I didn't want the downtime. And I wanted to... it was just very easy to get your clothes back on and drive home.
This is an example of how the cold laser works in this procedure. Let's take this bubble wrap, for instance. We're going to measure it first. It measures about 10 inches around. Now we squeeze the bubble wrap. Now this is how the cold laser works, getting the fat cells to seep into the body. Once you remeasure the bubble wrap, you've lost some inches.
It doesn't even interrupt the other, organs or anything like that. The way it's designed, the science behind it just does the fat that is right underneath the skin.
The treatment isn't cheap, $1,800 for 9 sessions over a 3-week period. Fact, not everyone is eligible. Clients are pre-screened. If given the okay, clients take supplements, exercise, avoid caffeine, and drink plenty of water. Walker lost nearly 5 inches, and while weight loss is a side effect, she didn't experience that.
I like the results. I really do. There's just some places that exercise and it just doesn't you don't see the results as fast.
Fact, cold lasers have also been used in the treatment of glaucoma, spider veins, cancer, psoriasis, and hair regrowth. As for the use of cold lasers in her physical therapy, Bernice is happy with her results as well.
If I didn't have the laser, I think it would be a prolonged healing and returning back to work. I'm looking forward to going back to work very soon now.
While insurance did pay for Ashford's cold laser therapy, it doesn't pay every time. You should check with your insurance company. The FDA has yet to approve its use for pain, so insurance companies are reluctant to reimburse for it. The FDA is waiting for more concrete proof in the way of medical studies before giving its okay. Linda White, Alabama's 13 News.
For more information about cold laser therapy, or if you'd like to watch this story or any of our other fact finders again, just go to alabamas13.com/factfinder.